What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dummy Tech Talks.
What up?
Today we're actually going to be taking off the back glass of my Moto Z3 Droid. It got really cracked and messed up, so I figured, what the heck? You'll see in the video what we're talking about. I got this kit right here from Eaglewireless, apparently. I got it off Amazon. I'll try to put the link in the description. But yeah. And
we'll be doing plenty more after.
Yep, we got another battery, or a battery to put into another Moto Z Force, the original one. And we want to do his phone screen too. Yep,
I'm going to do mine. So I'm letting him do this on his phone since it's his, and I'll do mine on mine.
And as of right now, I think that's all the phone stuff we have planned. Got some. I'll try to do a breakdown of a computer like this one that we're working on for our buddy, just so we got something to show y'all what we got.
Our skills, mad skills.
Heck yeah, technology, and
all right,
etc. Cool. Well, enjoy the show. Well, the video. Alright, so in this kit I got from Eaglewireless off Amazon. I'll try to remember to put the link in the description for you guys. It comes with everything you're supposed to need. Good little selection of tools here, some screwdrivers and things. You want to check that out.
Screwdrivers, tools, and things.
Pretty well insulated.
And a suction cup.
Ah, yes. The actual replacement glass is right here. It's a little flexible. I'm not 100% sure if it's real glass or not, but whatever, maybe that means it won't crack anymore. And this is the adhesive. For whatever reason, it did not come pre-applied, but that's okay. There's little wipes. So, as you can see, the back is fairly cracked up, messed up and everything. It actually happened about a week after I got the phone. Whoever decided to start putting glass on the back of phones is, not in my opinion, the smartest person out there. So, I'm going to let you do the heat gun. If that's cool with you.
We have heat guns.
You have to heat up the back so the adhesive gets all nice and easy to cool off. And for those of you all who don't know what the Moto Z series of phones is, this back looks kind of funny because it comes with these, well, it doesn't come with, you have to buy them separate, but these Moto mods. This one, for instance, is an extra battery that it claims to have about 16 hours of battery life, which, quite frankly, I've really enjoyed. It makes it where you don't have to worry about charging your phone as much. You got this speaker, it's a JBL speaker, a little kickstand. It's very loud, but it's not Bluetooth, so if you got a Bluetooth speaker, what's the point, right? The projector, it's actually my brother's. I'm borrowing it from him, and it is awesome. Absolutely awesome. It's 1080p, but it's really, really small. Very bright, actually. Really good job.
Perfect.
Alright. Let's see here. With one of these corners. I'm going to try with the corner that I broke first. Get into it. I want to try with one of those.
Let's try with this pick just to see how that works.
So it started separating. No. That's the one I was using first. I think I have to get a razor.
Chewing up the tool.
There we go. Alright. I will add, before we started doing this, I did turn the phone off and I removed the SIM card. It's probably not 100% necessary, but it's probably a good idea too also. Nice. Getting in there? Let's heat it up some more.
I want to separate.
Do just the inside for now.
The trick is starting.
Yeah.
Once you start, you're good to go after that.
There's like this film underneath it that it's all stuck to, and you should be able to pull it off. It'll probably crack up real bad, but should stay together for the most part. That guy shot. That's probably super
Use
hot.
that. That one's probably easier.
Alright. It's definitely hot. I'm just gotta get this part off. I know, shouldn't do this, but try to do a little starting point. Sorry about the dog there in the background. There we go. Also don't want to crack the screen bin in front.
There it goes.
Yeah, we're just gonna get that film up without cutting on yourself.
Don't suggest using razor blades for this neither.
Yeah, you might cut yourself or something else. Alright, these things aren't working very well.
Use that one, yeah. That one's a little better.
Might have to heat it up again.
And always keep this thing moving so you don't burn nothing up in one spot.
Yeah, it is still a device that works.
Yeah. It's an everyday phone.
That's why it's got plenty of wear and tear on it. Alright. So it took just a couple of minutes after Trevor heated it up again, and I got underneath here, and it should really start coming off. But just to be safe, because it has been a couple minutes, I'm gonna have him heat it back up. Switch over to this other pick. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's coming off nice.
So.
I believe, yeah. So we can use one of these now.
Oh yeah, just start kind of pulling it up, and I'm getting it around the mod port there.
Nice.
I have to go around this way because I broke it over there a little bit. A little strange. Come up later. No. Let's see.
You got the film.
Awesome. Yes. Alright, so like I said, it is going to crack on its way up here.
Yeah, we can show that.
Yeah. And it's just, you're basically destroying it. Well, it's not basically, you are destroying it if you're doing this. That's why I'm replacing it though. You may want to use gloves. I haven't gotten pricked or anything, but I will have to clean up afterwards. So if it's sorry, Trevor.
Yep, it's slinging, it's flicking glass, so definitely eye protection is appropriate.
That would be my dog. I'm sorry about the dog barking in the background. I told her we were making a video, but she just didn't want to listen. Yeah, there will be adhesive left we'll have to get off before we apply the new one. And it comes right off around the camera and the mod port thing attachment down there. Almost got it in this corner. And we did put this mat down that we don't care about. We're going to throw it away afterwards, so
Yep.
less cleanup. Anyway, that is it. Here, I don't know if you can see it or not.
Voila.
Just shattered like crazy.
Also, this is our first time ever doing this, so...
Yeah, we don't really get a second try on this.
Wow.
Now, just gotta get the rest of this adhesive off. May have to use the heat gun. We'll see. No, never mind.
It should peel right off.
Heck yeah.
Nice.
We're going to pause the video real quick. I'm just going to clean this up and we'll come right back. Alright, so we cleaned up a little bit. Got some of this glass out of here just to, you know, clean it up.
There's the old one. It is off.
Yeah, this is the new one, and the numbers on here are pretty much identical. There's one or two that are off, obviously, because it's not the exact same part, but same part number and all that, so it should be good there. Without adhesive, it does fit perfectly, actually, so that's good. And now all we have to do is adhere it and
figure out the adhesive part,
Yeah.
which it came with. This is
Never-
so weird.
yeah, I've never seen anything like that, so that'll be
I'm wondering if it's
fun.
the blue film. I don't think it does. I think it is though.
I don't know how. It came with no instructions also, so if
Yeah.
you get this kit, just watch this video and you'll either figure out how to do it or how not to do it.
Or just do it like we did. We're winging it.
Yeah.
You know, we're winging it.
Yep. I really have no idea, because like, I mean, either way, that blue stuff, or it has to come off the blue.
Yep.
I think the blue is just to prevent it from sticking to other stuff.
Well, let's wipe it down first,
Yeah.
and let's get her going. So we'll do the wet first, and then we can use the dry later. Before we dry it, before we set it.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea. Here, I'll let you do all that.
Okay.
On you, bud. Don't break my phone.
So this is his phone. I'm letting him do his own thing on his phone. I will do mine on my phone.
I do actually have the original Moto Z Force. That you'll have a video of that here in a little while, where we changed the battery out on it because I've had it for like 4 or 5 years, and it the battery only lasts a couple seconds if you use it for anything. So found a fairly decent priced one. Should be kind of fun. So that's my backup in case this breaks. Really came off easy though. Like once we got that film coming up.
Yep. Once we got it started, yeah, I know it's on this end, and I'm kind of just cleaning it off because it won't come off. So.
And this is all included with the kit. So if you get it, you'll have these wipes. They're little tiny things.
Yeah, they're little tiny wipes. Pretty sure alcohol wipes will work too.
Yeah. Yeah, that little rubber thing. I noticed that. I don't think it's that big of a deal. Now I've had the phone for about a year now, but like I said, I broke.
Has it been that long?
Yeah, I broke
Wow.
I broke the back in like a week.
Yeah. Well, I broke mine my first day. So, I think we all go through that time to time. These $1,000 phones are made so easily crackable.
Yeah, let's put glass on a phone. That sounds like a great idea. Alright, I still gotta figure this out. I mean, this side's not sticky, so it's gotta be the white.
Alright, I'm gonna dry it off.
I think the white comes off and you set this on it and then peel the blue off.
Yep.
Like you gotta peel this white stuff
You
off.
just want to make sure you get all the glass out of the cracks. That way, your phone can still say water resistant
Yeah.
as seen on TV.
Or in this case, YouTube.
Hmm.
I'm not putting it in water though.
I've put in my first phone, which was a well, I shouldn't say first phone. Let me go back to Nextel on that. My
I think we're good, right?
Samsung 8, yep, 8 Plus, and I actually filmed underwater with it.
I wonder if I
Alright.
should put this on like this, to where it matches up, then put this on it, and then pull the blue off and then stick it on. Might match up better. I don't know. We're figuring it out. Because, yeah, you definitely take this off, and then there's a black adhesive something underneath it.
Yep, go ahead.
You're just like, yeah, do whatever you want, man. It's not my phone. It's mine. Alright. I think putting it on here like this first to line it up, and then line up the back.
Make sure that's clean though
the
first,
back
right?
glass. Yeah, I wiped it off, but I've got one of these little, like, these little tiny towels to wipe off glasses and stuff with.
That did not come with the kit.
No, I've got a couple of those. Alright, let's check on this. Alright, there we go. I'm trying to line it up. I'm pretty sure once I let this go, it's not coming off.
It's on it.
Alright, I do still have to take it off. That's literally just to line up the adhesive. Now it should, yeah, come right off.
Awesome.
Now I just gotta figure out how to pull the blue part off. I think it's coming off. I didn't break it now. Oh man, I have to do another one. But alright, cool. So, ooh.
Yeah, let's push that baby on there.
Whoops.
Be sure to apply the adhesive that it came with on firmly before removing the film.
Yeah, you don't want to. So, I almost pulled the adhesive up with the blue just a minute ago with the film. Whoops. But noticed it was happening, so I went back and pushed down a little bit. Careful not to crack my brand new back glass. Everything seems fine so far, and there we have it.
Off.
So that's just adhesive and back glass.
This is the film that it came with, which is weird.
I'm now. You just gotta make sure you line it up because now it's for real.
Yeah.
Once it's down, it's down. All right, looking good. Looking good. Pressing. Yeah, it popped right on around there. And again, Eaglewireless. That's where I got it from. I'll try to put the link. It's from Amazon, so whatever. And then I'll pull this film off, do a little peel. Alright, how's that? That's probably nice and
Looking good.
Alright, here's the peel.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Now, I'm going to turn it on and make sure it still works. So I should put the SIM card back in first before it comes on. There we go. So that's good. It's coming on. And all of these, by the way, they literally just
snap right on.
Yeah, you'll hear a noise go something like that. I'm not gonna repeat that. That was pretty stupid.
How'd that go? Good.
But yeah, it'll tell you when
it's working.
Yep. All right. Well,
Getting blown up. Now you know it's a droid.
yeah. I mean, a Motorola. Yeah. Cool. Well, I'm happy. I'm gonna turn this down now. All right. That's that.
That's how you replace the back glass.
All right. Thanks for watching. That's that. That's how you change the back glass on Moto Z3.
Oh yeah. Hit like and subscribe.